So this is the box. You have a little compartment here where all the documents go. And this is the nicely presented box with your nice hinges. Beautiful condition. So all the paperwork lives in there. A little booklet. This is from the film Interstellar. Just some nice quotes and stuff. This is the international warranty card, which is expired. And user manual and warranty information. Let's put this to the side. It's absolutely beautiful. There's no scratches or anything like that. You can see the beautiful. You can see the movement. The strap is beautiful. I think it looks like this nice groove here. I suspect they've put something to keep it in shape, which I really like, and also gives it a nice silhouette. It's very nice, feels sturdy. Looks even better on a wrist, even on a ridiculously tiny wrist such as mine. I think my wrist is about 6.5 inches. So I've put it a little bit. I have it a little bit loose because I don't want to make any grooves before you get it. But yeah, beautiful watch.